It said these follows was bought with crypto.
I'm the
You did you
yes.
you Armin's cousin?
Yeah, no, Armand's barber.
Oh, you his barber.
Yeah.
But you're not his cousin.
No.
How come y'all look just alike? Can you do a fade on my beard?
Sure.
And just trim it up and do a fade? Chat, what y'all think? Should I get his barber should I get his barber a try? Like, you know how it is when your first time with a barber.
I know.
See, you know. All right. You can just fade up the beard like the same kind of thing. Yeah, and just cut all the way bald.
Of course.
All right. Come on, Gizmo.
Gizmo?
Gizmo. Let's see.